Happy 10th day of National Poetry Month, everyone. I said today I was going to read something by Lewis Carroll, and I decided I'm going to push that one off until tomorrow because after I posted yesterday's poem, which was The Crocodile's Toothache by Shel Silverstein, I realized Roald Dahl had a poem about a dentist and a crocodile too, and I thought it'd be fun to follow up The Crocodile's Toothache by Shel Silverstein with The Dentist and the Crocodile by Roald Dahl. The crocodile with cunning smile sat in the dentist's chair. He said, "Right here and everywhere, my teeth require repair." The dentist's face was turning white. He quivered, quaked, and shook. He muttered, "I suppose I'm going to have to take a look." "I want you," Crocodile declared, "to do the back ones first. The molars at the very back are easily the worst." He opened wide his massive jaws. It was a fearsome sight. At least 300 pointed teeth, all sharp and shining white. The dentist kept himself well clear. He stood 2 yards away. He chose the longest probe he had to search out the decay. "I said to do the back ones first," the crocodile called out. "You're much too far away, dear sir, to see what you're about. To do the back ones properly, you've got to put your head deep down inside my great mouth," the grinning crocodile, Crocky said. The poor old dentist wrung his hands, and weeping in despair, he said, No, I see them all extremely well from here." Just then, in burst a lady, in her hands a golden chain. She said, "Oh, Croc, you naughty boy, you're playing tricks again." "Watch out," the dentist shrieked and started climbing up the wall. "He's after me. He's after you. He's going to eat us all." "Don't be a twit," the old lady said, and flashed a gorgeous smile. "He's harmless. He's my little pet, my lovely crocodile." That was The Dentist and the Crocodile by Roald Dahl. And so tomorrow I will read something by Lewis Carroll, I promise. Have a good night.